Energetic music fades in, narrator excited, fast-paced. Imagine a world where traffic jams are ancient history. Where your morning commute is a 150 miles per hour glide above the clouds. And the price tag on this sci-fi dream? Just $6,789. Yeah, you heard that right. Elon Musk isn't just building electric cars anymore, he's building flying cars. And the first prototypes are already rolling off the line at Giga Texas. Buckle up, this is Tesla Cars World, and today we're diving into the Tesla flying car, the design, the tech, the insane price, and whether you'll need a pilot's license to own one. Let's go. Cut to sleek drone shots of Giga Texas at sunset. ####1. Why Elon Musk is obsessed with flying cars. Elon has turned Tesla into the king of EVs, AI, and autonomy. But he hates watching competitors, especially in China, copy Tesla tech and flood the market, so he asked. What if we built something no one can copy? Not for decades. Answer, a flying car priced so low it breaks the industry. $6,789 isn't just a number, it's a statement. Steal our ideas, Elon saying, but good luck matching this price. Quick montage: Cybertruck, Optimus, Cybercab, Robovan, from the bulletproof Cybertruck to the Star Wars-style Optimus robot, Tesla's already redefined crazy. The flying car? It's the next conversation starter, half the world excited, half terrified. ###2. The safety challenge. Let's be real. A crash at 150 miles per hour in the sky is way scarier than a fender bender on the highway. Elon knows this. That's why Giga Texas, Tesla's most advanced factory, was chosen to build the prototype. World-class engineers, the same team perfecting full self-driving, FSD, a production line obsessed with near-zero failure rates. Tesla's goal: make the flying car safer than a regular car. How? Electric jet engines, redundancy galore, and AI that predicts problems before they happen. ###3. Meet the competition, Klein Vision's Air Car. Before we reveal Tesla's design, let's look at the current champ, Klein Vision's Air Car. World's first certified flying car, 280 to 340 horsepower, think Porsche-level grunt, folds wings in under 2 minutes. Top ground speed, 124 mph. Flight range, 621 miles. Weight, just 1,764 lbs. Lighter than a Miata. It's gorgeous, but it runs on gas, needs a pilot's license, and costs hundreds of thousands. Tesla's plan? Electrify it, simplify it, and slash the price. ###4. Tesla's secret sauce: the 4680 battery. Flying needs power without weight. Tesla's 4680 cells deliver 300 Wh/kg energy density, best in the world, more range, less mass, cheap enough to hit that $6,789 target. No bulky fuel tanks. No noisy pistons. Just silent, green, electric thrust. ###5. The design: Roadster meets Falcon. Leaked renders show a scaled-down Roadster with 4 seats, family-friendly, foldable bird-like wings, stored flush in the body, retractable wheels for zero drag in flight, carbon fiber plus aluminum alloy frame cast by Gigapress. **** Car mode ***, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1 second, faster than a Plaid, full self-driving, set it and forget it. ***, Flight mode, 60-second transformation ***, 1. Press button, wings unfold, tail extends. 2. Electric jet engine spin up, SpaceX inspired. 3. Takeoff in 300 meters. 4. Cruise at 150 mph, up to 700 miles range. 5. Land on a parking lot, no runway needed. Animated sequence, car wings out, liftoff, city skyline. ###6. Do you need a pilot's license? For now, yes, but Tesla's pushing for simplified certification. FSD handles 99% of flight, like autopilot on steroids. Built-in parachutes plus autoland if things go wrong. Goal: driver's license plus 20-hour online course. ###7. The $6,789 mystery. How is this possible? Vertical integration. Tesla makes batteries, motors, software. Gigapress. One-piece casting equals fewer parts, lower cost. Scale: millions of units equals economies of insanity. It's the same playbook that dropped Model 3 to $35,000. Now applied to the skies. ###8. The future: A $1.5 trillion market. Klein Vision predicts flying cars will be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2040. Tesla's version could slash commute times, LA to SF in 40 minutes. Kill traffic jams. Make road trips obsolete. But it'll also spark debates, air traffic chaos, noise, even if quieter, privacy. Elon's betting the benefits outweigh the fears. Closing shot, Tesla flying car soaring over Austin skyline. Narrator. So, would you buy a $6,789 flying Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Sky yes, or ground only. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly Tesla breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. The age of abundance is here, and it's taking flight. This is Tesla Cars World. See you in the skies. Airplane. End screen. Subscribe CTA Plus related videos.